It is. I can hear it down there. It's out there. There's someone going to be in the back garden going, what the hell is going on? Oh. So a few weeks ago, Apple released these, the Apple AirTags, and I thought, absolutely genius. I'm constantly misplacing my car keys. I need to try these out. So I bought one. Probably the cheapest Apple product you will ever buy, and I think it is a brilliant idea. So what I want to do in this video is a very quick unboxing, first setup, and then I'm gonna get Holly to hide my car keys and see how easy it is to find them. Let's get into it. So just before we go any further, if you're new to this channel, my name is Scott Edwards. I make all sorts of tech, photography, video related videos. So if they are the sorts of things you are interested in, if you wouldn't mind clicking that little subscribe button just down below there, as it really does help out hugely, that would be massively appreciated. Now, anyway, onto the AirTags. As you would expect from Apple, very simple, effective packaging, and you can see here that I just went for the single AirTag as I just wanted to put one on my car keys. A lot of paperwork that we're not even going to bother reading, throw that away, and we have some very simple packaging, and slotted in the middle there is our AirTag, surrounded in a little piece of paper that I'm going to leave on for a second. So it says to update to the latest version of iOS, which I have done on my iPhone here, and pull the tab out of the AirTag and then hold it near your iPhone and it should automatically connect. I'm going to get rid of them as well, and I also have here a very cheap, the cheapest that Apple do, keyring sort of thing, and I'll just very quickly open that up now. Okay, that's pretty similar to the sort of material that the Apple Watch strap is. We'll figure that out in a bit. Let's connect this to my phone. The idea behind this is you can put it on a keyring, and if you lose something, you will be able to find it incredibly easy, no matter where it is, because with the whole Find My network that Apple have been working on, no matter who walks past your AirTag, it will automatically be able to find out where it is if you're not with it. I'm going to record my screen on here so you can see the whole process as well. So you can see there my home screen, and we're going to unwrap it and pull out the tab. It makes a noise and it's recognized it. That was easy. We're going to put it on some keys. Continue. Register your AirTag to your Apple ID. I'm going to blur out my phone number. It's got my phone number there. Wow. That's it. It's set up. Done. Okay, and that is very simple to connect up to your phone. So now if I open up the Find My app, that's there, it's all connected. So if I click play sound, that's coming from the AirTag. It's got a little speaker in it. You can start and stop that playing if you are nearby, and find nearby. If I click that, it tells me I am with it, I'm here. So what I'm going to do now is place it in here and attach it to my car keys, and then get Holly to hide my car keys and see how accurate it is and if we can find it. Right, there we go. I have it attached to my car keys on a nice little blue keyring. We've got the AirTag attached in there. Right, I'm going to go and find Holly. Back in a sec. Holly is here. It's been a while since you've been in one of my videos.
Well, yeah.
Anyway, I have my car key with my AirTag attached to it, just there. Will you please take that?
I was expecting it just to be the tag. Now this is completely...
Well, this is like a real life scenario. This is a real life scenario now.
Right, we need to get you some headphones. Otherwise, the slightest bit of noise, you'll know which room I'm in. You'll know if I open a cupboard or a drawer.
Okay, I got music on. I can't hear a thing.
Okay.
What? How am I going to know when to come and find it?
I'll come and get you.
How am I going to know when to come and find it?
I will come and get you.
Okay.
I'm not just going to leave you in here on your own, you muppet. I'm closing this door.
Okay. frighten the life out of me. Genuinely.
Done.
Flipping heck. Let's go find my car keys. I'm going to record on my phone again. I can see here that somewhere there is some keys. Somewhere. I know they're around here. So I'm going to click on find and it's... Oh, that's not good, is it? Signal is weak. This isn't a good start. I've actually lost my car keys. Imagine if this was like a real situation.
Yeah, you'd be fucked.
This isn't a good start. This is not a good start at all. I don't, why does it keep saying that? This is really not good.
Oh, this is satisfying. I'm gonna go sit on the sofa.
Oh dear.
It's gonna be a while.
It shouldn't be this difficult. I can hear it. It plays the sound. Is it outside? Have you put it outside?
I don't know. Am I?
It is. I can hear it out there. It's out there. There's someone going to be in the back garden going, what the hell is going on? Oh. I think it's out here, so I'm going to try and reconnect to it. It's 28 feet away. It's working now. This is how it should work. Oh, look, we've got arrows. It's somewhere down here. I know that for sure. Of course, you've put it on all the stones. I've got no shoes on.
Where is it?
Where is it? Where is it? I know it's over here. There it is. I can see it. It's on the tree. I've got my key back. I think we need to do it again. So it works. We're gonna try it again because it didn't work properly.
It did work properly. You just didn't specify keeping it in the house.
We're gonna do it once more, just for fun. See if we can actually find it. Put my headphones back in.
This one, because this is where he makes his coffee. So maybe he put it back in there by mistake.
Are you hidden it?
Yeah.
Right, we are on. Let's go and find it again. Oh, 16 feet away. So let's try downstairs first. It says weak signal again. Still says weak signal. 9 feet, 8 feet, 7 feet to your right. 6 feet. 5 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet. 3. Where? 4 feet, 3 feet. 4 feet. Where? 6 feet. It's down here. Oh yes, it's in a drawer maybe. There it is. We found it. It works. It works properly. Oh, I'm actually quite relieved. Thank you for hiding my keys.
You're welcome.
Okay, so there we go. I'm actually quite impressed as to how accurate this is. Now if I just do that, you can see it is here, for example, but if I move away, it will tell you that it is 3 feet away, which it roughly is incredibly accurate. And if I put it next to it again, it says it's here. So you can see how accurate it actually is when you just do that. But at first we had a few problems because I think it was maybe a little bit out of range with the fact it was going through glass and stuff. It was right at the other end of the garden and we had some fun with it, but it did in the end lead me to it because no matter where it is, you can still play the sound, so you can still hear it if you are within a range to it. It just won't tell you exactly where nearby it is and how close you are to it, but you can use the sound to try and gauge a rough idea as to where it is. So overall, I am massively impressed with it. I just have one small problem with it. Not really a big problem. That is, right, if I just take this out of here, the AirTag itself, not that expensive I don't think, £29. I really don't think that is that bad for one of these. You could get 4 for £99. That's really not very expensive considering it can help you save things that you might potentially lose. If you put it in a bag, for example, that's worth a lot of money because you keep a load of camera gear in it, stick one of these in, it will tell you where it is at any time, so you know you're not going to lose it. However, these things, these are very expensive, and this is the cheapest one. That is the same price as the AirTag itself for a little rubber band. £29 for that. When you think of all the technology that is involved in that itself, that doesn't make sense to me, because if you are putting this on a set of key rings, you are going to need a key ring for it. So for what does seem a fairly cheap product, and probably one of the cheapest Apple products you can buy, £29, if you need it on keys, you need to buy one of these, which is going to double the price, and that's 60 quid then that you spent on one of these. Very clever marketing from Apple, but I think it's kind of disappointing in a way as well. Maybe just, if they could have just stuck a hole through it so you could stick a piece of string on it, not just a regular piece of string, but you get what I'm trying to say. I think, yes, it's cool, and yes, it's going to save people a lot of hassle and they're going to not lose a lot of things, but I think the price of these accessories is just ridiculous. Now, yes, people probably will bring out some cheaper ones at some point, but the Apple ones, very expensive for what they are, and that is my one only problem with it. I'm very impressed with it. It is so accurate. Like when I was going to the coffee drawer to find my keys, it knew the height of it, it knew exactly where it was, and it took me directly to it, and I think the accuracy of it is incredible. Very, very impressed with the Apple AirTag. I think it is a genius invention, and it will save people a lot of money in the long run because they won't lose car keys, they won't lose bags. Stick one wherever you want. Don't put them on your pets. I've heard bad things about that. I wouldn't advise that. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you like what you see in the channel, click that little subscribe button just down below there. Give this video a thumbs up. Come and be a part of this community, and I shall see you all in another video.